Hi viewers, welcome to Hotspot Programming. Today I am going to explain you callbacks, promises, async await and callback hell. Okay, so we'll open one JavaScript compiler. Callback. Callback means a callback is a function passed as an argument to another function to be executed later. Okay, now we'll create a function say I. Okay, console.log of goodbye. Okay, yeah, and we'll call this function in another function create of name comma callback means our function this say by is callback. Console.log of I plus name. Okay, callback. Here now we have to call a function greet of here call name and callback function, right? First we have to give name is Sai and callback function say hi. Okay, yes, and we have to run this code. Check here hi Sai. Hi means here. Okay, Sai means name means Sai. Here see. Okay, and this callback function was called. What is in that callback function? Goodbye. Okay, goodbye. Callback function means a callback is a function passed as an argument to another function to be executed later. Okay, yes. Callback means callback hell happens when callbacks are nested within other callbacks many levels deep, making code hard to read and maintain. Yes, so we'll see an example for callback hell. Okay, like set timeout of arrow function log of step 1. Okay, and here another callback function set timeout of console dot log of step 2. So yes, and here set timeout callback function, arrow function, console.log of step 3. Okay, for first callback function we are giving time as 1000 milliseconds. For second callback function we are giving time as another 1000 seconds. For third callback means first one another 1000 seconds. We'll see here how it will execute. Okay, here first one will execute after 1 second, second one will execute after 1 second, third one also will execute after 1 second. Here callback hell means we can't able to understand easily. Okay, it will execute, there is no error, but can't able to understand easily. It was 3 callbacks, right? 3 functions, right? If it is 10 functions or 20 functions, it is very tough to understand. Okay, that is callback. Promises in JavaScript provide a structured and manageable way to handle asynchronous operations. They represent the eventual completion or failure of a synchronous operation and allow you to associate handlers with its eventual success value or failure reason. Okay, here we have 2 states. One is fulfilled or rejected, and third state also is there, they was pending. If it is in progress, then it was pending. If it is resolved, then it was fulfilled. If it was got any error, any failure happened, it was rejected. Okay, we'll see an example. Const fetch data equal to arrow function return new promise. Here we have to pass resolve reject. Okay, yeah, here we'll say set timeout of resolve some data received, RECIVED, received. Okay, we'll give some time like 2 seconds. Okay, so here we'll say like fetch data of dot then means success. Okay, data or you can write directly console.log of data. If it is success, then it will execute. Okay, catch of error. If it got any error, then it will come to catch. console.log of error. Okay, yes, we'll run the code now. Okay, check here, it was coming after 2 seconds. Okay, if you got any error, catch will execute. Now we are in success, right? So we don't have any error, it was fulfilled, so that's why it was executing then. Okay, okay, and we'll move to async await. Yes, the async and await keywords in JavaScript provide a more synchronous looking way to work with promises, making asynchronous code easier to read and maintain. Okay, and we'll see the example in async and await. Okay, okay, const fetch data equal to arrow function return new promise resolve reject. Okay, resolve reject. Yeah, now set timeout of resolve of async data. Okay, here I'm giving time 2 seconds. Okay, and const get data equal to async of it means we used async before arrow function. Okay, it was totally on try catch. Okay, const result equal to await fetch data console.log of result. Yeah, and here we have to write catch. So in catch what we are going to put error. If it got any error, then it will come to catch console.log of error. Okay, and we have to call that get data function. Okay, sorry, see, I'm going to run this code. What happened? We got an error that is line number 48, set timeout. Here we have to put t and check the, yeah, it was run successfully. Sync data. Okay, the sync data is executing here in result. Okay, here what happened is we are using async and await. Okay, and here we can use n number of awaits, and if it got any error, it will come to catch. If it is success, then it will come to try. Yes, that's it. It's that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe Hotspot Programming, and you have any queries, please do a comment. Thank you.